Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the drama box playing episodes completely silent or is the audio out of sync with that what's on the screen? Here's the fix. First, go ahead and check your physical mute switch on the side of your iPhone and make sure that it isn't flipped to silent. Then, use the volume buttons to confirm your media volume is turned all the way up. Since drama box audio is tied to your device's media volume, not the ringer. Next, go to the settings app, then go to Bluetooth and check if you're connected to a Bluetooth device you're not supposed to use or you're not actually using it, since your audio can silently get routed there instead of your phone speaker. Tap the eye next to any connected device and then tap disconnect if needed. Force close drama box from your recent apps completely and then reopen it fresh, since a stuck audio session is a common cause of silent or out of sync playback. If sound is still missing, go to your settings, then go to focus mode. Go through each focus mode you use and confirm that none of these are silencing the app sounds. Then restart your phone completely to clear any deeper audio conflict. So all you've got to do is check your mute switch and volume, disconnect straight Bluetooth, force close and reopen and restart if needed. Sound is back and synced, and that's it. Subscribe.